you today. We explore for you. To make you beautiful every day, we explore. Humanpia Costech. The new future of the cosmetic industry, Humanpia Costech. Starting with the foundation in January 2010, Humanpia Costech's representative brand, LUS. Launched, exported to Japan in April 2010, selected as a venture company in April 2012, November 2014. Acquired certification of Excellent Workplace for Risk Assessment, ISO 9001 Quality Management Enhancement Certification in January 2015. ISO 14001 Environmental Management Reinforcement Certification in January 2015. ISO 22176 Cosmetics in November 2018. Manufacturing certification and acquisition of export promising small and medium business in July 2020. It is recognized by the institution and is growing. We are constantly researching and developing various kinds of automation equipments. It is a specialized cosmetics manufacturing company that produces excellent products. Since its establishment in 2011, Humanpia Costech, a reliable company. Fast delivery, excellent quality, and growth based on customer trust and trust. As in the beginning, mask packs from various brands such as Fila, LG Household and Healthcare, Ekyung Industrial, and Clean Beauty. Humanpia Costech is expanding to the world. Humanpia Costech currently exports products to Japan, Spain, China, the United States, and Vietnam. We are working to expand our export market. We will create value, not just cosmetics. Humanpia Costech.